guys, if you see, you you can't get linen hairs for free because he don't be shop. You will shop if you finish din till the end. First, go to Roblox. Then, go to Avatar. Go to closing and then search Linlin. Okay. Then you can see Linlin is here. Then buy Linlin, then customize him. Then you can see this is my avatar because I get Linlin here. Then head and body, you can see floating emotes. This is my emotes. Yes, I have animation. So go to marketplace, just customize characters, head and body, and then go to hair. Then you can see Linlin hair is here. So that's the tutorial. Bye bye.